Hello and welcome guys. Today I will show you how to match subject into any background. Like this. So without wasting any time, let's start. First, open Autodesk Sketchbook app. If you don't have this app, then download it. Link in description. Now import your background. I will edit in this background. You can choose any background. Now import subject photo. Okay, now erase the background, form the subject photo. If you don't know how to remove the background perfectly, then watch this video. Link in description. After remove subject background, click here, then transform. Now adjust the subject size. Then click right icon. Now we have to match the background color into our subject. Click layers icon. Click subject layer. Then click color balance. Now adjust the color. To moving this icon, adjust the color of midtone, highlight and shadow. Adjust the color of midtone, highlight and shadow. This method apply your any photos. Click done. Okay, look the before and after. This is the before. And this the after. Now I make some highlights in my subject. Click the layers icon. Now click plus icon to make a adjustment layer. Now click anywhere to back. Select soft brush. Select soft brush. Now select the background color. Now paint the subject corner highlight parts. Click layers icon, then click highlight adjustment layer. Click bending. Select soft glow. Now paint the subject corner highlight parts. Okay, look the before and after. This is the before, and this the after. Now go to layers, and click top up the layer. Now click merge all. Click the layer and click color balance. Adjust the color to look more realistic. Click Done. Okay, now I add a lens flare. Click here, and click Import. Click right. Go to Layer, and click Lens Flare Layer. Then go to Blending. Select Screen. Now adjust the flyer size. Now I decrease opacity. So here is the final result. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more photo editing tutorial video. And follow my Instagram id. Link in the description.